Are you trying to cancel your HBO Max subscription but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I am here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to quickly and safely cancel your HBO Max subscription. Hi everyone, welcome to ehowgeek.com. I'm Srini, here to show you how to cancel your HBO Max subscription. We all know that HBO has been pushing their streaming service for the past year, and how many people have subscription that they no longer needed. So let me help you, guide you in the right direction. Even this is for your first time cancelling anything online, I promise this won't be difficult. Let's look at the steps on how to cancel the HBO Max subscription. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to HBO Max official website by typing max.com. This will open the HBO Max website. Click on the sign in link on the top right side as shown here. Step 2. Log in into your account using your username and password. Step 3. Once you're logged in, look for the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings. Step 4. In the settings page, scroll down and find the manage subscription link under the subscription section. Step 5. In the subscription section, click on the link manage subscription. Step 6. You will be redirected to the my account page. Look for cancel subscription option and click on it. Step 7. Now HBO Max might offer you some deals or discounts to keep you subscribed. If you're determined to cancel, just click on continue to cancel again. Step 8. HBO Max might ask you for a reason for cancelling, so pick the one that suits your situation best. Step 9. Confirm the cancellation by clicking on yes cancel subscription button. Step 10. You will see the subscription cancellation message on top like this. And that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully cancelled your HBO Max subscription. Remember, you can always resubscribe in the future if you change your mind. Well, that's the end of this tutorial on how to cancel HBO Max subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. See you next time.